Okay, it is day 6, and yeah, I'm just finishing up. Gonna do an update, but yeah, I thought I'd show you guys what the frustrations are here. So besides the fact that those little demons of hell have obviously found me in here because I left the door open for a little too long, yeah, I'll just show you what I've been working on for the last 4 hours straight. Now the good news, she finally popped loose, and I figured when I pull it off, might as well show you guys. So yeah, this right here used to be where the water tank was for the sink. Yeah, and this little hump of a bitch, whatever it is, but yeah, geez, I had to drill rivets out from both sides, had to go with a putty knife and get the silicone out, and I couldn't figure it out, but see, she still doesn't want to go. Okay, sorry for the delay there, but I do like to keep my Instagram as family friendly as possible. And yeah, that wasn't going to happen over the last couple minutes here, so let me show you what's up. There's the tank that was there. That is that back piece. Why it was so hard to pull this out is because you do have to be very delicate, which is hard, especially when you're angry, because yeah, that's all made out of fiberglass. So what was holding it up was this is where, from the outside, you fill all your water for the bus. So yeah, man, she's out. So I would like to keep working, but honestly, I don't even know if you can see them all buzzing around the screen, but the mosquitoes are nuts in here, and I got my goal, got this one out. So tomorrow we'll pull all that insulation, redo the wiring, but I'll show you the front of the bus here, and this is what I did in the beginning of the day. So those same fiberglass panels, although I didn't have to deal with copper piping, which again, you have to be really delicate with, otherwise you're gonna break them bitches. But yeah, this fiberglass roof over the driver, and yeah, all the insulation wiring is already pulled there. So yeah, busy day, but yeah, got a lot done. As you can see, I still don't have that impact. So hey, DeWalt or anyone who wants to throw brother some tools, I'm ready. Now quickly, before more of those demon bugs find me, that's what I was talking about from the outside. So that panel in there, oh yeah, so you can see that is, yeah, by the way, that is just partially what came from in the bus. The rest of all that stuff, sorry, it's a long bus, takes a way to get there, is right here. So yeah, this, as you can see, a lot of stuff is going out, but hey, there's a lot more cool stuff going in.